Now here in this lecture of TLM ports and import TLM transaction level modeling, we are going to discuss how to communicate the data in form of transaction between classes. So in this lecture we are going to use port and implementation in order to communicate between the classes, though there is an intermediate component also, that is export, but we will discuss it in the next lecture. So we will assign port to the producer class, implementation to the consumer class, and in general, since this is an export which has no intermediate role, it just has to pass the data from the port to the implementation. So we will just provide this to the environment class later in the other sections. It has itself, implementation has itself no meaning. It is actually the last ending point of the conversation. So even if you will use port and export, there will be a fatal error. So there, every time there should be an implementation in the program in order to avoid those errors. So in order to do so, what we will do include UVM underscore macros.svh. Then we will import UVM underscore package. Now we will just create producer class producer extends. These are components, UVM dynamic objects, so we will use UVM component, UVM underscore component. Now we will just register to the factory UVM underscore component underscore utils, and here we will just copy it and paste it, producer class. Now we will do UVM blocking port UVM. So here in this lecture we will firstly begin the series, say this as a LAB1.1. so in here we'll learn about the get put method for the communication through transactions form. So UVM blocking, so what's the function? UVM blocking port underscore port. So it has an argument. So let us say we want to transfer data from the producer, that is int data equal to 12. We will see in further lectures about the UVM config db, that how through that we can transfer data from one class to another. So UVM blocking port, here we have to put hash and declare the type of the data. Here it is int, and let us give it a name as get underscore port. Now we will declare the constructor for it, function new. Since it is a part of UVM component, it should be having a 2 argument path. Let us give it as producer, and other is UVM component parent, UVM component parent, and function. Now we will just call the super method super dot new, extending if there is any changes or extending the work of the class. So there we will use the super method path comma parent. Okay. So and now the other work is to assign the build phase and create the object of. Here we have created the constructor for it. Now we will create the object for it, the virtual function void build underscore phase, part of the UVM phase and phase object, and function. Now you will do super dot build underscore phase, and then we will just do what? We will just control copy equals to, we will create an object for it, comma this is the class. Now we have created the object for this. Now we will create a run phase. From there you will use objection to transfer the data. Task, since this run phase is time consuming and build phase is not time consuming, so there we use function where there is no time consumption, and there with the run phase there is time consumption. so we use task there, UVM underscore face. So and the task, so you will just raise the objection, face dot raise underscore objection this, face dot drop underscore objection this. Ab now get underscore port dot put method you will use, and we will send the data which we want to send, and that is data. So here is the data which we wanted to send. Now here most of the work is done. So we created the class producer. Now we will just copy this class and generate the consumer class, consumer. Okay, just need to remove this, control C, control V. Here we will just do consumer. Now in the UVM blocking put implementation, there are two arguments, that is data type and the second is the class. So here we have a class that is consumer, and we will just write it as a get underscore implementation. Okay, string path, we have a build phase. So inside the build phase, let us give the name to the build implementation, get an implementation. Now we have created a object for it. Now there is no need to do this. Now we will just declare the use of the task put, and it is input into data and end task. Now since most of the work is done, so we will do UVM info, and now just consumer class $s format f. So here we have a consumer class and data rcvd. Here I will also add this UVM info data received %0d, and it is data, and now UVM underscore verbosity none, the most safest. Now I will just copy this one here from the consumer, and I will just paste it here, UVM producer data sent. Okay, now most of the work is done. We'll just go and create the environment. Inside the environment we will connect them. Okay, now let me just copy this class in order to create the environment class. Now here you will use environment UVM underscore environment, UVM underscore environment. Let me copy this, paste it here, so there will be no use of export for right now. Okay, so this is environment. Okay, so UVM build phase. Okay, now here I will just create a producer P. There we can have a multiple producer that we will see in the further session. It is the lab 1.1. so in 1.1 we are going to just check out the basics. Consumer C. So let us now let's create the object for them. For object we have using UVM component special method, producer using type id create method, type underscore id create. So P comma this class we are just defining, and let me copy this. Here we have a C here, C here, and here we have a consumer. Okay, now inside, now in order to connect them we are going to use the connect phase, virtual function void connect underscore phase, UVM underscore phase, and this phase end function. Now let's In order to connect them, how we do so is that data direction is from port to the consumer. So p instantiation, then the get underscore port method. So get underscore port dot connect. Inside here consumer, and consumer has get underscore implementation method. So here we have done our work. One last time, let us just go and check the test class also. There you will see the hierarchy. So here we have a environment e. One second, let me check everything is fine or not. Environment here, okay. This is test class UVM underscore test. So here I will just copy and paste all the things here. Test. Now here I just need to create the environment class object. Here it is e, here it is e, it is environment. So here I will use virtual function end of elaboration, virtual function void fun, in order to check the hierarchy also. To use end of elaboration underscore face UVM underscore face, then face. Now I am doing what? I am just transferring the integer type of data. You can transfer the arrays also. For that you just need to do what? You just need to do type def. So there is nothing as such data type for the array here, so we will do type def def, let's say data types are integer and arr, or the size is 3, so arrt of 3. Through this you can declare it here, then you will do arr of underscore t, then arr, okay, and you will just transfer the data here. You will send the data type, so it is arr of underscore t, okay. So this is how you transfer the array data type. Q also in the same way you can send. So it is test class, and this inside the build phase we created environment instance object. We have our constructor. Here we were doing what? UVM underscore top dot print underscore topology. So it will be go as a default. So here we will do module instantiation test module test bench, and the module we will take the help of the component, since if component have some specialties. So we will just do what? Initial begin. We did not need to do anything hard coding. In order to call all these classes, there is one simple method, run underscore test method, and just give the name of the class test. That's it. Now just you need to go here, you need to just check UVM 1.2 and go and do LDEC reverie upload. Just need to do what? We need to run this. One second, package is found. It will see there is no error. We found no error. So data consumer data received is 12 and data sent is 12. Okay, so without any hard coding, we have successfully transferred a data integer data type from the producer class to the consumer class using the transaction level modeling. Okay, so this was our lecture. We have learned constructor, UVM component, factory registration. Okay, I was about to show you the hierarchy also. So this is the main class test. Inside environment we have a consumer, and inside consumer we have a get import underscore implementation, and inside the producer we have a get underscore port method. Okay, and we have seen how to connect them. So we will just do what? Producer object get underscore method dot connect. Now in the meantime you can do what? You can do the same. You do not need to do anything else. In order to check the usage of export, you can do what? UVM underscore blocking put underscore export method you can try. So here you will just undo this, get underscore export method, you just need to revise the data transferring mechanism, okay, and check by yourself how the data is transferring. For now, the data transfer direction is port to implementation, which is the real end point, which is the actual end point which we want. The export is just an intermediate step. So if I want to show it here, so it is export, it is the intermediate step. So it mainly in the producer class, it is mainly in the export, and it is in the consumer class, okay. In further more sessions we will learn how to do the more complex non-blocking also, and get method also. But in the next lecture we will see how to use the export method, and further lectures we will see how to use, what if we have a multiple producer, single consumer, single producer, multiple consumer, okay. I hope you understood our lecture. Thank you.